Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a new label to your in your Gmail. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, click on this letter icon down below on the left side corner of the screen, and then tap on the menu icon at the top on the left side. After that, you should scroll down, and here you have the create new option with a plus icon, so tap on it. Then you can type in the name of the new label that you want to create into this bar, and then click on the save button in the upper right corner of the screen. As you tap on this button again, here you will have the label to which you can add emails and organize your inbox. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.